Hi guys, I'm just waiting for my flight to the airport. I'm off to Düsseldorf Boat show. If you haven't been to the show before, it's absolutely brilliant. I'm going to show you around and I think you're going to love it. I'm at the entrance, I'm waiting for the gates to open. It's one of the biggest boat shows in the world. I'm really excited because I've got a day full of meetings lined up today. And I can't wait to show you inside because there's some really nuts stuff going on. I think you're going to love it. Wait till you see this. This is indoor diving at a show. This is amazing. Check this out.
Taking control, the future is ours now. The road never ends, it's me and my friends. These are the good times. And I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. The feeling I've got's making me crazy. I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. Making me crazy.
As soon as 6 o'clock hits, the dive hall is a completely different place.
I'm just gonna trust you.
Back at the airport waiting for my flight back, feeling quite exhausted after lots of walking up and down the show and many meetings, but really worthwhile. Hope you found it interesting. I wanted to show you some of the more madder stuff at the show because it's really fascinating if you haven't been to it before. And yeah, hope you enjoyed watching, and thanks for tuning in. Speak to you soon. Bye.